guys. It's been a while. This is my name bother in the background. But this I used to put some guests or other videos to save your please. And today I got on you. Let's look at the moments on my time. So trying to play some of the answers. So look this much about there's gonna be a fire after that because there will be like a new month, so it's gonna be a fun and rental, so that's why I've been trying to breed. So yeah, so looks like it's fire and white and mammoth to fire. Why did I not thought of this actually? I'll spray the easy ones. Ugh. I have to. Couldn't Hotel Cana. Oh yeah. Okay. Couldn't Hotel right now. Pop Valley. What are we bringing out? And Cana. How do I fit? I haven't. Wait, what? I just got him. I just got him much like a first time. Yeah, I just put my first friend into that new one and straight away. Oh my gosh, what? Yo, I'm so lucky. Oh my gosh, this is a best breeding connection. Yeah, that's cool. Well, that's how you breed. And see you later in the next video, I think. I don't know what I do next. But let's actually see if I could do anything else. What do I? Yeah, okay. What about this game? So it's called Sonic Boom. It's not playing. It's been a while. It needs updates probably. Just download it. Oh, play. So guys, just like wait, that's updated. That was an update. That's updated it. So yes. I used to play this. Jump. Okay. Oh, we don't need to do anything. No, thanks. A stash. Ooh. I'm making a video. And she's that's good. It is. Oh. Sorry guys, it's just glitchy. I don't know why that's reason it is. What's going on? What the hell? Sorry guys, it's just sorry. It's just glitchy. Very. No. Sorry, I'm having issues. Skip. I skipped. Next. Okay. Next. No. Okay, let's go. They thought Sonic because like Knuckles and Sonic, but I'm not playing as those two. Okay. Bam. Oh. Things was here. The video's new. No. Naughty. Okay. Okay, when it's just